Hey guys, you've tuned into Moneycontrol. I'm Manisha Gupta, and the concerns about the crude oil prices rising is back yet again. We are trading at an 11-week highs and almost at $120 per barrel. This also is going to be a sixth monthly gain for the crude oil prices, which have been rising on the back of tight global supplies, the fact that the US exports are at record highs, and even as the prices are here, you still haven't seen the demand see any decline there. The Russian crude also continues to find its way into the markets at a much discounted pace, but we clearly are looking at changes in the global markets where the crude from US and West Africa really seems to be coming in quite a lot. Well, the support also in crude is because you have European nations meeting for the sixth round of sanctions on Russia in this week, and perhaps oil and gas could be a part of this conversation. And then you have the Chinese participation coming back from the 1st of June and the expectation that much of manufacturing activities will be allowed from 1st of June clearly means that after that decline that we've seen in April and May in sense of crude demand from China could clearly be coming back. The OPEC meeting is another thing to watch out for in this week, which is on 2nd of June, with the expectation that when OPEC and allies meet and talk about their increase in production for the month of July, it is going to be the same at 400,000 barrels per day. So no surprises there, but the demand is strong, especially ahead of the US summer driving season, which starts from this weekend itself. And then the markets also are looking at the decline in US dollar, which clearly has been supportive for many of these dollar denominated commodities. Most people feel that on technical charts as well, crude is giving you a breakout. If we close above 120 or $120 per barrel, then we are headed towards 125, even 130 for that matter. So this is not a market where you call shots, especially in the next few days there. When you look at the volatility, well, that has been quite high in case of crude as well. Remember, we started with this year nearly at $78 per barrel. That was the price on 1st of June. In the month of March, we saw 14-year highs at $139 and then a crash or a correction up to nearly $95. The current price is at $120 tell you that this volatility will just about continue going forward. Not such a great news for any economy, especially a consumer country like India, and especially when crude prices find their way as an input for fertilizers, where we have seen a shortage, prices nearly tripling in last 1 year. There are concerns for the food markets as well arising out of fertilizers there. When you look at the prices itself, well, we have seen 4% of gains on Friday, which brings the last week's gains to nearly 6%. It has been a 12% of a rise in last 1 month. And we look at last 1 year, we are still 73% on the higher side. The markets do believe that this quarter at least will see consolidation and higher crude oil prices. It would only be by the last quarter of this calendar year that you could be looking at the crude oil prices perhaps coming below $100 a barrel as well. But that is still far away, and this quarter still promises to be volatile and one with the higher prices included.